To set yourself apart from the similar channels on YouTube, you must offer your viewers something unique, both visually and aesthetically. The focal point of YouTube algorithm is to keep the viewer's attention to the maximum level. But how do you do that? Well, there are two simple ways to achieve it. One of them is adding an extra footage called B-roll, and the second one is top-notch editing. Your videos must include awesome transition effects, jump cuts and graphics overlays so that the audience can be glued to the content. Those are just two ways to boost your watch time and audience retention, and when applied properly they will lead to more views. The main idea here is, if you wish to stand out from the competition, you have to set your game up. Let's first start with the B-roll. B-rolls are the visuals used in a movie or scenery to enhance the story. They are the scenes you watch in a film or video when the editor cuts away from the main plot to show related scenery or action. These scenes generally have no sounds and exist solely to elevate the intensity of an emotional and atmospheric setting. Coming to editing. Editing can be game changer for a YouTube channel. Bland and boring videos cannot hold the viewer's attention for the long time. Humans' retention levels are going down day by day, and to stand out from the crowd, we need to step up our game. Graphics, transition and other special effects can be used in editing to realign the viewer's attention and keep them hooked. So these are two strategies for capturing viewers' attention and increasing your watch time. These two can be a catalyst for increasing your views. The goal is to catch the viewers' attention and direct them to your channel. To stand out and get more viewers, you must be in a different league than your competitors. Now, what else is there? Don't worry, you won't be living today without discovering how to level up your game on YouTube. Let's go over 6 more proven strategies to create exceptional videos that will automatically increase your views. Number 1. Camera presence. You have to be easy in the eyes of the viewers. Now, what's that supposed to mean? Well, if you run a YouTube channel where you show your face, it's important to be camera friendly. It could be difficult at first, but with the experience, you will get better. All you need to remember is the golden rule: practice makes a man perfect. Experience does make things better, but it's not enough. The key to success is knowledge combined with the experience. Yes, you need to learn every day to become better. Practicing and watching great speakers, other top content creators, as well as improving your personal body language and communication skills could be some of the ingredients of a successful camera presence. Number 2. Groundwork. YouTube is a free platform for everyone, but don't use it as your ranting ground. You just can't post anything and expect viewers to watching it forever. Make a plan. To be successful in business, all you need is a great plan. Same is true for YouTube. Ask yourself, who is going to watch my video? Am I providing any kind of value to my viewers? Just a little bit of groundwork could help you to go a long way as a professional YouTuber. You just need to plan your content, organize it and execute it properly. Number 3. Don't beat around the bush. Get to the point. If you have a technology related channel, then please stick to it. Nobody wants to know how well you take care of your family or how well you play cricket. Always keep in mind that your viewers are there for your content, not for you. To beat the YouTube algorithm, you need to stick to your niche, especially when you are new on YouTube. Don't take the risk of playing around when you don't have any loyal subscribers in your bag. Keep quality over quantity, cut unnecessary parts, and keep it short yet twofold strong. Number 4. Keep it funny. Good humor is really important to make anything interesting. It's a powerful tool to create bond with your viewer as well as reset their attention to your video. Don't underestimate the power of humor. It could be a lifesaver, especially when you are making a long, boring educational videos. So if you want your viewers to just be like an always smiling quokka, then don't forget to add some elements of humor in your videos. Also, one thing to keep in mind that the humor is very subjective and may backfire if not used cautiously. So use it only if it fits right and also may not cause any harm. Humor is recommendatory but not mandatory. After all, you won't want to get bashed online or land in a jail just for few gags, right? Number 5. Music. Music helps you to grab the attention of the viewers even before the video starts. It can instantly help you to set the mood as you want. Want to keep it serious? Add ambient music. Want to keep it gritty? Add cinematic music. Music is a great way to make your content more engaging as well as grab more attention. Good music really sets the mood unless it's copyrighted. In that case, it may get you a strikes which may ruin your mood as well as your YouTube career for sure. So make sure you only use copyright-free music to protect yourself from getting flagged. Number 6. Audio effects. Audio effects keep viewers engrossed and also helps to keep their attention. Using the right sound at the right moment can help you to provide an impactful experience to your viewers. So having all of these things on point before uploading a video could help you to get a lot of views and also keep your viewers engaged.
But YouTube video success also depend on good scripts. I made an entire video on this just for you. So click on the left video if you want to learn how to write a super engaging YouTube video script, or check out the right one to find out the latest update to grow your YouTube channel fast. I know you have already liked this video and subscribed. So let's straight jump into the next video.